You are watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftacademy.com. www.netsoftacademy.com.
So now on NETA Edge 02, we will start with configuring the prerequisites necessary for Exchange Server installation. So first I'll go to PowerShell. Now again, every single time I go to PowerShell, I will be making sure that I am logged in as who I say I am. I am NetSoft Academy /administrator, perfect. So I'm going to run this command here, install Windows feature first. Now, while this command is initializing and working, while it initializes and works, on this virtual machine, I will mount the Microsoft 365 Hybrid Deployments ISO and start with all of the prerequisite installations. So that way I only have to restart once. Remember this, the goal is to be as efficient as possible, not to be just following the instructions as they are, because that is very easy. I just want to point out where the problems can occur and how to resolve those problems. Alright, so first I'll start the JRE version 8, update 341 because it takes longer for the setup to initialize. Then I'll start with Microsoft Visual C++ 2013. I agree to license terms, install. Okay, done. Then the Unified Communications Managed API. Next, I've read and accept the license terms, install. Now this is a little bit of a slower installation, if I'm being quite honest though. Okay, finish. And all that leaves us now with is Java and IIS URL Rewrite Module x64. And I have to wait because I can't install IIS URL unless this installation is 100% done or more than 90% done. And I'll have to wait for Java because the Java installer is starting up in the background. So I'll give it a few minutes, and once both of them show up, I'll just show you what to do next. Right, so one thing that is happening here is my Java setup has started. I click on install. I'm not changing anything. It's all just normal standard installations. They will all be stored in the program files of my C drive. It's nothing else going on there. And you can see here that my command installation is running as steadily as possible, and that is a good thing. So I'll wait for this to complete the command installation, and then I'll be able to install the IIS URL Rewrite Module, and then I'll be able to restart this computer. Until then, I cannot restart this computer. Until then, I cannot do anything else with this computer here. As you can see, it's 70% done, but even then, I can't install anything. I'll have to wait for this to complete installation. Okay, this will be done, I think, in a second. Yep. Same for this one. So now remember this, I mentioned that above 90% IIS URL Rewrite Module can be installed. My Java is installed properly. That's great. Now if I double click on IIS URL Rewrite Module, it will load up, it will let you install everything. But you see this? Another installation is in progress, another installation is in progress because the other tools are still being installed here. So unless this is completed, it will not allow you to do that first. So I'll have to wait for this to complete, and it will complete in like, you will not even notice when it completes, but it will complete very quickly. So I'll give it a second for that. So as you can see, my command has completed here. So I'll go back to my file explorer, run the IIS URL Rewrite Module here, accept the terms, install. These installations are relatively very quick by a long shot, and finish. And that's it. All the prerequisites are installed. So now all I'll do is restart dash computer and enter. And that is also the end of the lab here. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next lab. Stay tuned. Thank you.
Thank you for watching NetSoft IT Academy. 905-812-2923. info@netsoftakademy.com. www.netsoftakademy.com.